If you are still relying on the hustle to close your deals in 2026, you're already losing. Over 2 decades in the sales space has taught me one thing: outworking the game doesn't work anymore. Hey team, my name's Luke. I've been in the sales game for over 25 years. From the doorstep to the boardroom, high ticket, low ticket, remote, hybrid, face-to-face, you name it, I've done it. And I am here to tell you that if you think your hustle and grind is going to get you through to 2026, well, it's time for a reset. This episode kicks off a 6-part series called The New Rules of Sales in 2026. We are rebuilding your sales game from the ground up so you can outthink, outlearn, and outsell everyone and everything in 2026. Let's get into it. So let's talk facts. What have my clients been saying to me over the last 12 months? Well, the first thing is that AI is a huge deal. It's actually doing more of our jobs than we realize. But it's quite confusing because we need to use these tools as well. And as for prospects, they're getting savvier than ever. They don't want a sales bot, they don't need a cold call, and they definitely don't want you sliding into the DMs with another copy-paste script sounding like everybody else. And last, but definitely not least, burnout is real. It is the #1 performance killer, and that is hustle culture. Work harder used to be the answer, and now it's the reason that you are stuck. So the new game is not about working harder. It's about building leverage, mental, tactical, and systems-based leverage. And with that comes the first brutal truth of 2026. Your inputs no longer equal your outputs. Just showing up every day isn't going to cut it. You need to know what drives your mental clarity, what skills are you stacking, and what systems make you consistent. And that's what we're going to talk about over the next 6 episodes. If you're sitting there nodding your head, good, this is for you. In the next episode, we're going to talk about rebuilding your internal operating system from the ground up. I call it outthink. And it's what separates the top performers from the ones sitting there blaming everybody else and everything apart from themselves. Check out the links below. There's a ton of free content ready to get you going on your journey to be able to outthink, outlearn, and outsell everybody and everything in 2026. I'll see you in the next one.